When it comes to enhancing the value of your Dallas home, few upgrades deliver as much impact as window replacement. Not only do new windows improve your home's aesthetic appeal, but they also offer a range of practical benefits that resonate with potential buyers. From boosting curb appeal to improving energy efficiency, window replacement is a smart investment for Dallas homeowners looking to increase property value. Curb appeal. The first impression matters. In real estate, first impressions are everything. Potential buyers often form an opinion about a property within seconds of seeing it. Old, worn out, or outdated windows can detract from your home's appearance, making it less attractive to prospective buyers. On the other hand, modern, stylish windows immediately enhance curb appeal, creating a positive impression. In Dallas, where architectural styles range from traditional ranch homes to sleek modern designs, selecting the right window style can complement your home's character. Buyers are drawn to homes that look well maintained and contemporary, and new windows can be a deciding factor in their purchase decision. Energy efficiency. A key selling point in Dallas. Energy efficiency is top of mind for many homebuyers, especially in Dallas, where hot summers can lead to skyrocketing energy bills. Replacing old windows with energy-efficient models can significantly reduce energy consumption, a feature that appeals to eco-conscious buyers and those looking to save on utilities. Modern windows with double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, and insulated frames are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. The potential cost savings on energy bills can be a powerful selling point for buyers evaluating your home. Increased home value. High ROI for window replacement. According to real estate experts, window replacement projects offer a high return on investment, ROI. On average, homeowners can recoup around 70–80% of the cost of window replacement when selling their home. In Dallas, where the real estate market is competitive, this ROI can make a significant difference in attracting buyers and securing favorable offers. Upgrading to high-quality, durable windows also signals to buyers that your home has been well cared for. This perception of quality can lead to higher offers, helping you maximize the return on your investment. Noise reduction. A welcome bonus. Dallas is a bustling city, and noise pollution can be a concern for many homebuyers, particularly those moving from quieter areas. Modern windows with soundproofing features can provide a more peaceful indoor environment. Whether your home is located near busy streets or in the heart of a lively neighborhood, noise-reducing windows can add extra appeal to your property. Enhanced security. A priority for buyers. Security is another factor that can influence a buyer's decision. Older windows may have outdated locking mechanisms or weak frames, which can be a security risk. New windows often come with advanced locking systems and stronger materials, offering improved protection against break-ins. Buyers value homes that feel safe and secure, and investing in secure windows can help instill confidence in your property. Tax credits and incentives. An added benefit. Dallas homeowners may also benefit from tax credits and incentives for upgrading to energy-efficient windows. While these programs vary, they can offset the initial cost of window replacement, making the investment even more attractive. Highlighting these savings to potential buyers can further enhance your home's value proposition. Choosing the right windows for Dallas homes. To maximize the impact of your window replacement project, it's essential to choose windows that suit Dallas's unique climate and architectural styles. Popular options include vinyl windows, affordable, low maintenance, and energy efficient. Wood windows, ideal for traditional homes, offering timeless charm. Fiberglass windows, durable and resistant to extreme temperatures. Working with a reputable window replacement company in Dallas ensures you select the right products and receive professional installation, critical for achieving optimal performance and longevity. Conclusion: a strategic investment in window replacement is more than just a cosmetic upgrade. It's a strategic investment that increases your Dallas home's value, enhances energy efficiency, and appeals to today's discerning buyers. By upgrading to modern, high-quality windows, you can set your home apart in a competitive market and secure a higher sale price. Whether you're planning to sell soon or simply want to enjoy the benefits of new windows, this investment pays dividends in the long run.